Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your everyday cooking, the Sedlav Aluminium Non-Stick Mid-Weight 13-Piece Cookware Set. If you're looking to outfit your kitchen with versatile, reliable cookware, stick around. First off, let's talk about what makes this set stand out. The core of any good cookware lies in its material, and Sedlav has opted for good aluminum construction. This is crucial because aluminum is an excellent conductor of heat. What this means for you in the kitchen is superior heat distribution. Say goodbye to those frustrating hot spots where your food burns in one area while remaining undercooked in another. This set aims to provide consistent, even cooking across the entire surface of each pan and pot, which is fundamental for achieving delicious results, whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or searing a piece of meat. Another feature that is absolutely vital in modern cookware is the non-stick coating. The Sedlav set boasts a non-stick surface designed for effortless cooking and even more effortless cleanup. This is a game changer for anyone who dreads scrubbing stubborn food residue. The promise here is easy food release, meaning your ingredients won't cling to the pan. This not only makes the cooking process smoother, but it also significantly cuts down on your post-meal chores. Less time spent at the sink translates to more time enjoying your creations and your guests. Now, let's examine the sheer versatility offered by this 13-piece set. It's not just a collection of a few basic pans, it's a comprehensive assortment. You're getting a variety of frying pans, saucepans, stockpots, and even utensils. This breadth of pieces means you're equipped for virtually any culinary task. Whether you're planning a quick weeknight stir-fry, a slow-cooked stew, or boiling pasta for a family meal, this set is designed to cover all your bases. This comprehensive approach makes it a practical choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs looking to consolidate their kitchenware. The inclusion of tempered glass lids with heat-trapping technology is another intelligent design element. These transparent lids allow you to keep a watchful eye on your food without having to lift the lid and release valuable heat and moisture. Trapping heat and flavors within the pot is key to ensuring that your meals are cooked to perfection, retaining all their taste and tenderness. This feature contributes directly to the quality of the final dish. The Sedlav set is truly designed with versatility in mind. The product details highlight its capability for a wide range of cooking techniques. You can expect to comfortably sear, sauté, boil, and fry using this cookware. This all-encompassing approach means you likely won't need to supplement this set with additional specialty cookware for many common kitchen tasks, making it an essential and convenient addition to any kitchen. The comfortable handles are also mentioned, promising a secure grip, which is paramount for safety and control while cooking. Let's weigh the pros and cons of this Sedlav Aluminium Non-Stick Mid-Weight 13-Piece Cookware Set. On the positive side, the good aluminum construction is a definite advantage for even heating, which is a cornerstone of good cooking. The non-stick coating is a huge plus for ease of use and, crucially, for quick and simple cleanup. The 13-piece count provides exceptional value and versatility, meaning you're likely to find a piece for almost any recipe. The tempered glass lids are functional and allow for easy monitoring of your food. And finally, the stated versatility across various cooking methods makes this a do-it-all kind of set. However, as with any product, there are considerations. The term mid-weight suggests that while it's not excessively heavy, it might not feel as substantial as some higher-end, heavier-gauge cookware. For some experienced cooks, this might be a minor point of concern regarding long-term durability or how it handles extreme temperature fluctuations. Also, while the non-stick coating is excellent for everyday use, it's important to remember that non-stick surfaces, especially on aluminum cookware, can sometimes be more susceptible to scratching from metal utensils if not used with care. It's always advisable to use wooden, silicone, or plastic utensils with non-stick pans to prolong their lifespan. We also don't have specific information on the type or quality of the non-stick coating itself, which can vary greatly between brands. In conclusion, the Sedlav Aluminium Non-Stick Mid-Weight 13-Piece Cookware Set appears to be a very practical and well-rounded option for many home cooks. It tackles the core requirements of good cookware, even heating and easy cleanup, with its aluminum build and non-stick surface. The sheer number of pieces included offers fantastic value and adaptability for a wide array of cooking scenarios. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen essentials with a comprehensive and user-friendly set that simplifies both cooking and cleaning, this Sedlav set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.